can you come over? Right now loneliness taking over. Me need you tonight, yeah, me lover. Come warm me up under the cover. Make me rock till the lampshade turn over. Rub me chest, rest your head on me shoulder. And make we listen some Anita Baker. Make love till we wake up the neighbor. Girl, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you, missing
food, but I'm not interested in food. I'm just gonna have a drink. And that's this sick now. And I've exchanged some contact details with him. He was performing in Kadoma here in Zimbabwe, and we've exchanged some contact details. Ready to fly with Qatar Airways to Doha in Qatar. That's me. So boarding is in the next 20 minutes. You'll be boarding. There's Air Zimbabwe on that side, which I don't think flies much now. Still flies, but not much. I think it's all domestic flights, not international. You can see there. There's Zimbabwe. International Airport. Robert Gabriel Mugabe, also known as Harare International Airport. Air Zimbabwe. The departure side. When we came, we were at the arrivals, which is the other side there. International departures. International departures just there. We are on time. We just arrived It's 9:26 a.m. local time.
Right on time.
Yeah, check in 9:35 onwards or anytime now. But I'm already checked in. I checked in online, so I just need to go and weigh my bags and drop them off.